Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a LEGO second sister from Jedi Fallen Order. Starting off, you'll want to take the legs from this First Order TIE Pilot, the torso comes from Reva, the cape that I used came from Moff Gideon, the head comes from the Fifth Brother, and finally I took the hat from this Knight of Ren. Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to build your minifigure, but hopefully this is what it should look like. Overall, I'm relatively happy with how this minifigure has turned out. I wanted to try and make my own helmet design after making the face on the last rendition. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to subscribe because it helps out the channel and you'll be alerted when the next tutorial releases.